On May 6, iQOO will unveil the iQOO Neo6 SE as the successor to the iQOO Neo5 SE, which was announced in December last year. A new poster of the Neo6 SE has appeared on Chinese retailer sites like JD.com and Suning.com, where it is listed for pre-orders. The poster gives the first look at the design of the smartphone. The image shows that the iQOO Neo6 SE rear design will be almost identical to the iQOO Neo6, which went official earlier this month. The rear panel of the phone has a camera module in the upper left corner and the iQOO branding towards the bottom. The protruding camera module has a triple camera unit and an LED flash unit inside it. The Neo branding is also available below the rear cameras. The handset will arrive in at least two colors, orange and dark teal. The iQOO Neo6 SE will reportedly feature a 6.62-inch OLED display with a punch hole located at the top center position. There is no word on the front and rear cameras of the device. The screen of the Neo6 SE will offer a Full HD Plus resolution and a 120Hz refresh rate. It will come equipped with an in-screen fingerprint scanner for security. The Snapdragon 870 is present under the HUD of the device. It is backed by a 4700 mAh battery that supports 80-watt fast charging. It is likely to run on the Android 12 OS and iQOO UI. The other specs of the smartphones are yet to be revealed. The predecessor, the iQOO Neo5 SE, featured a 6.67-inch LCD Full HD Plus 144Hz display, a Snapdragon 870 chip, a 4500 mAh battery with 55-watt fast charging, up to 12 gigs of RAM, and up to 256 gigs of storage. It featured a 16-megapixel front camera and a 50-megapixel main, 8-megapixel ultra-wide and 2-megapixel macro triple camera unit. Do you think the phone will have attention? If yes, then write your opinion in the comments below. Thanks for watching, thumbs up, have a nice day and see you soon.